getting there faster with the HORIBA LabRAM Soleil Raman microscope, designed for fast imaging and precise analysis. Combining up to 5 lasers from 325 nanometer to 785 nanometer, from 30 wave number to 1.6 micron, and Smart ID automatic objective recognition, the LabRAM Soleil Raman microscope is a fully automatized system. Smart sampling innovation to map up to 100 times faster than a standard map, combined with Q-Sky light-sheet confocal imaging, allows to do and to achieve ultrafast imaging with this dedicated Raman microscope for fast imaging. Intuitive software like Easy Image and Keystain LabSpec6 apps allows to fully characterize the materials in just one click and without any effort, even for non-expert users. This allows so to comply with pharmaceutical application, battery, advanced materials, and recycling markets.
HORIBA.